Hello everyone, welcome to Home Economics online class, grade 8. I am Miss Mary and Fonda, your teacher for today. Home Economics, Module 1, Quarter 1, Week 1, Dressmaking 8. Okay, so we are now in Lesson 2 with the title Types of Sewing Machines. Sewing is the process of stitch formation involving needle and thread. Sewing machines are textile machinery employed to stitch fabric or other material together with thread. Sewing machines were invented during the first industrial revolution to decrease the amount of manual sewing work performed in clothing companies. So the task of a sewing machine is always to create stitches, either to decorate the fabric or to hold multiple pieces of cloth together to create a garment or accessory. The way that the sewing machine accomplishes this task determines its classification. Some classes of sewing machine have been developed to accomplish specific and narrow sets of stitches, while others are more general in their uses. Did you know, class, that the Singer Sewing Machine Company was established in the Philippines in 1882? Its product, the sewing machine, became so popular among the Filipino families that it had virtually become a household fixture, so simple to use and durable, which by 1912, over 250,000 units were sold by its 300 outlets, providing employment to 1,500 Filipino workers. Types of sewing machine. Well-selected sewing machine is essential for achieving good results. It should be used correctly in accordance with the job requirements. So the first sewing machine that we have is the lock stitch sewing machine. This is usually used in homes and sometimes in school. This is also called domestic sewing machine. Remember that? Lock stitch sewing machine is also called domestic sewing machine. It is run by foot and may also be converted to electric power machine. The second one is the high-speed lock stitch sewing machine. This is sometimes called straight stitching machine or industrial sewing machine. It has automatic lubrication and is used by tailors and dressmakers. The third type of sewing machine is the over-edging machine. So this is an example of over-edging machine. Other companies call it small machine. It finishes the raw edges of the pattern for construction. The fourth one is the embroidery machine. This is used in making fancy stitches and in making different kinds of embroidery stitch, linen, and other novelty items. Number 5 is the buttonhole machine. This is used in making buttonholes in garments. Then, the sixth one is the button attachment machine. This is used in attaching buttons to the garments. Number 7 is the double needle machine. This is used in the construction of the different kinds of clothing, especially for the inseam, the outseam, and the side seam. Number 8 is the bar tacking machine. This is used in reinforcing the opening and the closing of pockets. Don't forget, different sewing machines have different purpose and functions that makes sewing easier for the dressmakers We should properly take care of the machines to fully maximize its use to the fullest. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone. Keep safe.